From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, the universe is a tapestry woven with the threads of time and space. These two elements are not just passive backdrops but active participants in the cosmic dance. Time and space are the fundamental building blocks of our universe. They are the stage upon which the grand cosmic drama unfolds, dictating the rhythm and flow of everything that exists. Every star, every planet, and every particle is bound by their rules. To understand the universe we live in, we must first grapple with the enigmatic nature of time and space themselves. Scientists and philosophers alike have pondered their mysteries for centuries, seeking to unlock the secrets that govern our reality. Think of time as a river, constantly flowing forward. It carries us along on its current from the past, through the present, and into the future. This river is relentless, never pausing, always moving, shaping our experiences and memories. Space, on the other hand, is the vast ocean in which that river flows. It encompasses all that is, providing a canvas for the universe's countless wonders. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, everything exists within this boundless expanse. But what if I told you that this river of time is not constant? What if it could speed up, slow down, or even loop back on itself? Imagine a world where time is as fluid as water, capable of bending and twisting in ways we can scarcely comprehend. And what if the ocean of space could warp and bend, creating shortcuts through the cosmos? These phenomena, known as wormholes, could potentially connect distant parts of the universe, making interstellar travel a reality. Join me now on a journey to unravel the mysteries of time and space, where the boundaries of reality blur and the impossible becomes possible. Together, we will explore the depths of these cosmic elements, seeking to understand their true nature and the profound impact they have on our existence. As we delve deeper, we will encounter black holes, regions of space where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. These cosmic giants challenge our understanding of time and space, bending them to their will. We will also explore the origins of the universe, tracing back to the Big Bang, the moment when time and space themselves were born. This cataclysmic event set the stage for everything that followed, shaping the cosmos as we know it. And as we look to the future, we will consider how advancements in technology and our understanding of time and space might transform our world. From time travel to interstellar colonization, the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. So let us embark on this cosmic journey together, exploring the dance of time and space and uncovering the secrets that lie at the heart of our universe. The adventure awaits, and the cosmos beckons us to discover its wonders. One of the most intriguing concepts in the realm of time is the paradox. A time paradox arises when we consider the possibility of traveling through time and altering the past. Imagine, for example, that you could go back in time and prevent your own birth. What would happen then? This is the classic grandfather paradox, and it highlights the potential contradictions that arise when we tamper with the delicate fabric of time. If you were to prevent your own birth, you wouldn't exist to travel back in time in the first place. Such paradoxes have fascinated philosophers and scientists for centuries. Some believe they demonstrate the impossibility of time travel, while others see them as tantalizing clues to the true nature of time itself. Albert Einstein, in his groundbreaking theory of relativity, revolutionized our understanding of time. He revealed that time is not absolute but rather relative, its passage influenced by factors like speed and gravity. One of the most mind-bending implications of Einstein's theory is time dilation. Time dilation states that time slows down in stronger gravitational fields. This means that time passes slightly slower on the surface of Earth than it does in the vacuum of space. Imagine two identical clocks, one on Earth and one orbiting high above in space. The clock on Earth, experiencing stronger gravity, would tick slightly slower than the clock in orbit. This effect, though minuscule in everyday life, has been experimentally verified and has profound implications for our understanding of the universe. As we gaze out into the vast expanse of space, we are filled with a sense of wonder and curiosity. The stars, planets, and galaxies stretch out before us, each one a mystery waiting to be unraveled. We can't help but wonder about the nature of time beyond our own planet. Does time exist in the same way throughout the universe? Or does it bend and twist in ways we can't yet comprehend? Could there be regions where time flows backward or not at all? Imagine a place where the past, present, and future are indistinguishable, where the very concept of time ceases to exist. While we don't have definitive answers, scientists and researchers are constantly exploring these questions. They delve into the mysteries of the cosmos, seeking to understand the fundamental nature of time and space. Some theories suggest that the universe might not have a single universal clock. Perhaps in different regions of space, time ticks at different rates. In the hearts of black holes or in the moments after the Big Bang, the familiar laws of physics, including those governing time, break down. These are places where our understanding of time is pushed to its limits. And what about other universes? The concept of a multiverse suggests that our universe is just one of many, each with its own unique properties and laws of physics. The concept of a multiverse, where countless parallel universes exist alongside our own, is a staple of science fiction. But it also has a basis in scientific theory. If such universes do exist, it's possible that they experience time in radically different ways than we do. Some might have faster or slower time, while others might have no concept of time at all. These ideas challenge our understanding of reality and push the boundaries of what we know. They invite us to imagine a universe far more complex and wondrous than we ever thought possible. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we may one day uncover the true nature of time and the great unknown. Until then, we can only dream and wonder about the possibilities that lie beyond our reach. Section 5. Bridges through the cosmos, wormholes, and time machines. The idea of time travel has captivated humanity's imagination for centuries. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, the concept of moving through time has always fascinated us. But could it ever be more than just a fantasy? Could the dreams of our ancestors and the visions of our storytellers actually become reality? While we haven't cracked the code to time travel just yet, scientists and researchers are constantly exploring the boundaries of our understanding. There are theoretical concepts that offer tantalizing possibilities. These ideas push the limits of our imagination and challenge the very nature of reality as we know it. Wormholes, for instance, are hypothetical tunnels that connect two distant points in spacetime. They are like cosmic shortcuts that could potentially allow for instantaneous travel across vast distances. Imagine folding a piece of paper in half. A wormhole would be like a shortcut tunnel punched through the paper, connecting the 2 points directly. This simple analogy helps us grasp a complex idea. If wormholes exist and we could harness their power, the implications would be staggering. We might be able to traverse vast cosmic distances in the blink of an eye, opening up new frontiers for exploration. Imagine traveling to distant galaxies, exploring new worlds, and uncovering the mysteries of the universe, all within a single lifetime. Time machines, another staple of science fiction, present even more mind-boggling possibilities. The idea of moving backward or forward in time challenges our understanding of causality and the flow of events. Presenting the potential to witness historical events firsthand or glimpse into the future, time travel could revolutionize our perception of history and destiny. While we don't currently have the technology to build one, the theories and ideas surrounding time travel continue to inspire and intrigue. Some theoretical designs suggest that manipulating the very fabric of space-time might one day allow us to journey through time. These concepts, though speculative, push the boundaries of what we believe is possible and keep the dream of time travel alive. Section 6. Interstellar, where science meets imagination. The film Interstellar takes us on a breathtaking journey through the cosmos, exploring the boundaries of human endurance and the awe-inspiring power of black holes. While rooted in real scientific concepts, Interstellar also takes creative liberties, blending science fiction with scientific theory to craft a captivating narrative. The film's depiction of time dilation, for instance, is based on Einstein's theory of relativity. As the crew of the Endurance venture closer to Gargantua, a supermassive black hole, they experience time at a dramatically different rate than those back on Earth. Interstellar reminds us that the universe is full of wonders beyond our current comprehension. It challenges us to expand our imagination and to embrace the unknown. Section 7. A Wrinkle in Time. Interstellar's dance with relativity. One of the most memorable scenes in Interstellar occurs when the crew visits a planet orbiting near Gargantua. Due to the intense gravitational pull of the black hole, time on this planet is severely dilated. For every hour spent on the planet's surface, 7 years pass on Earth. This stark difference in the passage of time leads to a heart-wrenching realization for the crew. When they return to their spacecraft, they have aged only a few hours, while decades have passed for their loved ones back home. Interstellar masterfully illustrates the profound implications of time dilation. It reminds us that time is not a constant but rather a fluid aspect of the universe, subject to the warping effects of gravity. Section 8. Time's Tapestry Unveiling the Fabric of Reality. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of time and space, we begin to appreciate the intricate tapestry of the cosmos. Time is not merely a straight line but rather a complex and dynamic dimension, interwoven with the very fabric of space. From the paradoxical nature of time travel to the mind-bending effects of time dilation, the universe challenges us to question our assumptions and to embrace the unknown. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are likely to uncover even more astonishing truths about the nature of time and its role in the grand cosmic scheme. Section 9. Keep exploring. The universe awaits. The journey through time and space is an ongoing one, filled with wonder, mystery, and endless possibilities for discovery. I encourage you to continue to explore these fascinating concepts, to question, to learn, and to let your imagination soar among the stars. What mysteries of time and space will we unravel next? The answer lies out there, waiting to be discovered. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the SVC Shorts channel for more mind-bending explorations of the universe.